Sharma, class 7th Mathematics, chapter number 16, Congruence. In that topic is SAS, congruence condition. Now we had learned SSS, congruence condition, same as SAS means side, angle, side. Okay, here example is given that AC is equal to PR, AB equal to PQ, and one angle we had given, that is 60. So side, angle, side, SAS. Okay, three result we have to prove. First is AC equal to PR, then angle CAB equal to angle RPQ, and last is AB equal to PQ. So by SAS, side angle side congruence, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so let us do with an exercise 16.3. Question number 1. By applying SAS condition, state which of the following pair of the triangle are congruent. Okay, now we have to just say that by applying only SAS only, not SSS, only SAS congruence, we have to prove that these four triangles are congruent. So for that, for congruence, we are proving three results. Okay, so let us do that. Now here your two sides are equal, that you had given in triangle AOB. These two triangle we will take, and triangle that is COD. Okay, first we had given that is AOA equal to CO. Okay, that is given. Then another thing what we will say, this is vertically opposite angle. If two lines intersect at one point, they are forming vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angle are equal. So we can say angle AOB and angle COD are equal, right? Angle AOB equal to angle COD. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Okay, then we can say this side is equal BO and DO. So BO equal to DO, that is given. So by which congruence? SAS congruence, or a condition you can write triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Okay, now let us see the second one. Second one, same, we have to prove triangle ADB and DDC congruent. So first of all we will write in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Two triangles we have. One we had given, that is common, BD equal to CD, that is given. Okay, another we had given 90 degree, that angle ADB is equal to ADC. Why? Because it is 90 degree. So angle ADB equal to angle ADC. Wow, both 90 degree. Then this side is same because AD is common in both the triangles. So AD equal to AD. So what we will write? Common. Therefore, by which condition? SAS congruence condition, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC is the answer. Question number 2. State the condition by which of the following pair of the triangle are congruent. Now in this triangle, which condition we have to use? If it is SSS or SAS, only condition we have to write. No need to apply or prove it. Okay, so first one we can write state condition only. So as here side is same, here two sides are same, so S, S, and this side is common. So which condition we are using? S, 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 side, side, side. Second one, here first one, two sides are same. Second side is same, and AB is also common in both the triangle. So it is S, S, S. Third one, first side is same, second angle is same, and third AC is common in both the triangles. So which condition we are using? SAS. Here also first side is same, okay, angle is same, and here one side is common in both the triangle, that is we are using SAS condition. Question number 3. In figure 30, this one, line segment AB and CD, line segment AB and CD bisect each other at O. Which of the following statement is true? Now, AB and AD bisect each other at O. Which of the following statement is true? Now, from these three, we have to select one. Which one is true? First of all, we will find that these two are congruent. Okay. Now, this is vertically opposite angle. So, we can say angle COA equal to angle BOD. And we can say AB and CB bisect each other at O. So bisector means line segment separate in two equal parts. So CO is equal to DO. So CO equal to DO. And AO is equal to BO. So AO equal to BO. Okay. These two are same. So by applying SAS, triangle, which triangle? ACOA or AOC, triangle AOC. Why I am taking triangle AOC? Because here in the option only given AOC. Okay. Congruent to triangle AOC means BOD. Okay, whichever the line is equal to this, only that one we have to take. So AO equal to BO, CO equal to DO, and triangle ACO or CAO equal to BOD. Okay, so this triangle is same. So which one is the answer? Last one. AOC congruent to triangle BOD. Now fifth one, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, line segment AD bisect A and meet at the base BC in D. Is triangle ABC ADB congruent to triangle ADC? Okay, this we have to prove that it is true. Now first of all, we will draw the triangle. We have triangle that is isosceles triangle, means two sides are same. A, B, C. AB is equal to AC. Line segment AD bisect each other, bisect A, angle A, and meet at the base BC. Means this is bisecting from the A and meet at D. Another thing, AD is triangle ADB and ADC congruent. These two triangles we have to find they are congruent or not. Okay. So what we will do? So first of all, what we have to prove? First one, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So which are the same? AB equal to AC given. Okay, now it is a bisector, so this angle is same. Angle BAD and BAC both are same. Why? Because it is bisect. AD bisect angle A. So angle DAB equal to angle DAC, that is what AD bisect angle A. Okay, and last one, AD is common in both the triangle, so AD equal to AD, common. Now by which condition? By SAS congruence, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, ADB congruent to triangle ADC. So yes, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. This is the answer of first one. Now third one we have, is it true to say that BD equal to DC? BD is equal to DC? Yes. Why? Third one, BD equal to DC. Yes, BD is equal to DC. Why? Because of CPCT, congruence, corresponding congruent triangle. Because if your triangle is congruent, then you can say your all angle and all sides are equal to each other. Therefore corresponding congruent triangle. Okay, if your triangle is congruent, then we can say that all the sides and angle of two triangle are same. Question 6. In figure 31, AB equal to AD and angle BAC equal to DAC, that is given. State in symbolic form the congruence of two triangle ABC and ADC that is true. Now we have to form directly that it is congruent. Now which congruent we can take as ACB, or we can take ABC, whatever. ABC congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, and complete each of the following so as to make it true. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Okay, if your triangle is congruent, so we can write all angle and all sides are equal. So ABC is equal to ADC. ACD means this angle is equal to ACB. This ACB. Now another one, line segment AC bisect and dash and dash. Line segment AC bisect which angle? C and angle A. Bisect A and angle C. Okay, this AC bisect from A and C. Now question number 7, in figure 32, AB parallel to DC and AB equal to DC. This AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. Okay, and is triangle ACD is congruent to triangle CAB. Okay, ACD is congruent to this. Let us find it out. Now these two triangle we have to prove. Okay, for that we can say this is given, AB is equal to CD, so we'll write AB equal to CD. Now this angle is equal to this. Why? If AB is perpendicular, then alternate interior angle are same. So I am writing for that. Here it is given. Here AB parallel to CD. Therefore triangle BCD triangle, whichever triangle you can take. Okay, so I am taking triangle BAC equal to angle ACD. Why? Because of alternate interior angle. So writing in that alternate interior angle. Okay, why? Here these two lines are parallel, so alternate interior angle are same. You can take this also angle. Okay, with this C we have to take A. So another thing, this side AC is common in both, so AC equal to AC. Why? Because common. Now three result we have. So what we will write? By SAS congruence triangle ACD congruent to triangle CAB. Okay, triangle ACD congruent to triangle CAD. See, ACD is congruent to CAD. That is correct. Now here we have to write at last, yes, triangle ACD congruent to triangle CAB. Now third one, question is, which angle is equal to angle CAD? Which angle is equal to angle CAD? CAD means this angle is equal to this because alternate interior angle. Okay, so ACAD equal to ACB, angle ACB, because alternate interior angle are equal. Okay, thank you for watching this video.